Hi, this is Bob from Authentic Dental Lab in San Antonio, Texas. And today we are going to demonstrate how to take the perfect shade using the shade wand. Now, before seating your patient, make sure you have all the necessary items while practicing the mandated guidelines on infection control. First, we want to remove any colored lipstick and place a light blue or neutral gray bib on the patient. It is very important to remember that lighting is the most critical factor in shade selection. That is why we use a handheld shade light, because it floods the patient's mouth with the perfect light. This eliminates the ambient light, which causes color variables in the operatory and can affect your shade selection. The shade wand uses and utilizes the perfect 5500 Kelvin LED light. It's important to take the patient shade first before any other procedures, making sure that the teeth are always hydrated. Hold the shade wand about 6 to 10 inches away from the patient's mouth, and as a good reference, start by selecting the color of the canine first. The canine is usually the most dominant tooth color in the mouth, and this gives you a good color reference. During shade selection, it's important not to stare at the teeth and shade tab for more than 5 seconds at a time. You will need to neutralize the rods and cones in your eyes by gazing at the patient's neutral gray or light blue bib for about 2 to 3 seconds. This will help you in selecting the best color. That is why the back side of the shade wand is a neutral gray color. Don't forget, usually your first impression about a shade is the best. Now, after selecting the color of the tooth, make sure and check the value of the tooth. You do this by squinting your eyes to verify the brightness or whiteness of the tab compared to the tooth. If you select a tab that is too high in value, the tab will appear bright in the mouth and will not look natural. If you would like to provide more shade details, you can divide the tooth into 3 segments: the gingival, middle, and incisal. Then you can indicate the different selections and any intrinsic staining you want to include on the prescription, and then send it to the lab. Now, I'd like to thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed our demonstration using the shade wand. If you would like to order a shade wand, please call us anytime. We are here to help.